Hello everyone, this is Enea here, and in today's tutorial I'll teach you how to draw the Dropbox logo in Affinity Designer. The Dropbox logo is made of 5 horizontal rhombuses, and it is a great way for us to practice the isometric grid. Alright, so to get started we go to File, New, and we create a new composition. We give it 1000 by 1000 pixels in dimensions. Then we go to the Margin tab and we uncheck Include Margin, and then we click on Create. And then we make sure that Snapping, Snap to Grid, and Snap to Object Bounding Boxes and Include Bounding Box Midpoints are enabled. And then we're going to set up the grid, so we go to View, Grid and Axis. We check on Show Grid to make it visible. And then we go to the Advanced tab. So as a grid type, we select Isometric. So this is a grid that is made of rhombuses with the top and the bottom angles at 120 degrees and the left and the right angles at 60 degrees. We are just going to increase the spacing a bit to 150 pixels. And then we click on Close. And then we're going to start drawing the rhombuses. So we take the pen tool. We set the fill and the stroke to none. And then we draw a rhombus here along the grid. And then we're going to set its fill color to blue. So it's going to be the following blue, so 0062FE. And then we take the Move tool and we press on Ctrl J to duplicate the rhombus. And we move it to the right while holding Shift to keep it on the straight line until it snaps to the grid. And then we select both rhombuses. We press on Ctrl J to duplicate them. And then we move the two duplicated rhombuses downwards until they snap to the grid. And then we're going to need one more rhombus here. So we select one of the rhombuses. We press on Ctrl J to duplicate it. And we position the duplicated rhombus here. And then we're going to hide the grid because we are not going to need it anymore. And then we select the rhombus here. And then we move it downwards while holding Shift to keep it on a straight line until there is a thin white space between it and the two rhombuses upwards. Alright, so that was it for this tutorial. You learned how to create the Dropbox logo in Affinity Designer. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial and learned something from it. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Affinity Designer tutorials in the future. And until then, see you next time, bye!